Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. In today's video, I will try to take 5 trades. Okay, this is going to be my first trade. We'll try to hit 50k. Hopefully, the market is going to be clean. Alright, it's dropping right now. I should have waited for margin of safety, honestly. Like that, my entry should have been here. I go 2 trades right here just to secure my first trade. Usually the proper trade is this one, because if you look, this is a rejection market, and if I draw a common line between all the rejections, this area will be the point that I have to enter. Okay, it will reject at the last seconds, and this entry is absolutely risky, and yeah, I shouldn't have taken that one. Yes, so this is going to be my first trade. If you are in a ranging market, also so many big rejections, try to draw a common line between all the rejections, okay? I guess all of them were winning trades. No, one of them was a draw. This basically, the first one was a draw and it wasn't a losing trade. So yeah, if you enter with margin of safety, you will have this much of safe place if you enter below the common point of rejection, and much higher chance to win the trade, okay? Instead of entering immediately like this, which was risky. All right, the market is dropping right now. It's downtrend. I'm not gonna go with the bars anymore, and the reason behind this is because this is a supply area, and this is the last time market touched it, and it's dropping until some demand area appears on the way. Just like that, boom, this is the demand area the market will react from. But the reaction is not guaranteed because we need lower time frame entry, but this demand area right here is causing a significant movement that breaks the previous resistance. So I can expect a rejection from this one. I'll be back on this one. Let me just check other pairs. Okay, this is a QM. Let's just... No, we don't have engulf, so this is not valid. Alright, this one. Yeah, you see the demand that we marked? How it's reacted? Just like that. But I wouldn't immediately take this trade. I would go to lower time frame to find lower time frame entries on this one for safer entry. My entry would be down here, which in this case I wouldn't even take this trade because it's rejected from the initial zone. And yeah, so if I was drawing the common point of rejection, it would be under the common point of rejection as well. So this entry would be a normal entry. It wouldn't be a short shot for me, but it would be a very nice entry. The real entry would be inside of this, somewhere inside of this, which I had to go to lower time frame for marking it. So now I will just keep, okay, this is another QM. And I believe it should have higher time frame confirmation. Yes, it has higher time frame engulfing candle. So it would be fine taking this trade. Alright. We see a QM right here. If I go to the higher time frame, which is 3-minute time frame, I'm seeing the engulfing pattern. So my QM has higher time frame confirmation. If I go to lower time frame, I have to look for... Okay, this is the supply area, and also this one also supply area. So both of them can have reaction. We cannot really know which one will. So I will just mark both of them. And we'll see if the market comes to this entry, I will take them. This one was a doji break, which was a good one because it was in a supply area. And this is the zone we marked at the beginning of the session as a demand area, which rejected the price. Okay, I wanted to take this trade, but it's already reacted from this QM zone. Man, this market looks so bad today, right now. It was good when I was starting this session, but just right now, I'm just missing. This is a QM, which doesn't really look very nice, but it has this trend line, okay? And it has higher time frame confirmation. Yes, it has engulf, and it's rejected from the entry zone. Terrible market right now. I'm not able to spot a good opportunity. Just bullshit. I'm sorry. Okay, I guess we have a decision point right here. Somewhere here. The market is going to that direction. Have to see where the entry should be. This slow. This is all right. This is my entry zone for this trade. All right, this is the entry zone for this trade. I hope it goes to that entry. All right. And the reason behind this trade is simply we have a well-respected support area, and then it breaks very strongly. You could see that there's absolutely no bars anymore right here, and a strong force is causing the breakout. So I assume that this is the decision point for this breakout. I hope it's not some other entry inside of this area which is reacting from. Yeah, so I can take this trade. Let's just check the 5 second. I guess there's something in lower time frames that it doesn't let the price come up. Yeah, but I don't care. I will take my trade on my own entry. All right, it's reacting from the QMB marked, and it's dropping to the next demand area, which will be somewhere down there. So I don't have any opportunity there. I've just missed everything today, and it makes me feel terrible, but that's fine. Yeah, this one also didn't really go to our entry for this decision point. So it's another... Alright, seems that the market has got some bars in it, and it's going for... Demand area doesn't cause anything, so I'm not taking it. This is a very bad market, man. I have to just stop right here. This is terrible market. Absolutely no opportunity. Most people fail at this kind of markets, which really tempting to make up reasons to take trade while there's no reason. Demand area not causing anything. Invalid. Yeah, so this is the type of market that people mess up, really. Again, this one also not valid. So yeah, it would be a winning trade, but I wouldn't take it because it's not valid. Yeah, this is just pure frustration. pure frustration, and people usually fuck up at this kind of market. All right, we don't have engulf for the QM, even though we have the trend line. We don't have engulf, so if it comes to the trend line, it can have reaction, but since it doesn't have engulf, it would be against the rules to go with this QM. So I would say, all right, this is a doji, but it's a swing doji. Even taking this one also is risky, as it's a swing doji. We don't know if it's gonna react from demand or another supply up there. And I wouldn't consider this as a valid doji trade. That's why if I want to take this, I will take it very, very small. Alright, broke it. It gave us the gap up. So I'm taking it. Taking it very small. I would take this with 200, but I go for 500 only for one reason, and this is the huge gap up you see right here. Okay, huge gap up made me go with for 500. Otherwise I would take it with 200 because this is a swing doji. This was absolutely terrible market to trade on. This is the type of market that I usually check, and if it looks like this, I wouldn't start my trading session. And you should do the same. Okay, look, it's gonna make me lose this trade, and it's gonna drive me absolutely crazy. And I can tell people losing this trade will make them zero down their balance. Honestly, come on, man. It was a draw. See that? This is absolutely the type of market that you have to avoid taking trade on. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop right here. This is a absolute trash market to trade on, and I will come back tomorrow. Okay, if you see this kind of market, you're unable to find good trades, you're unable to find opportunities, just avoid. It's better than losing a trade. Okay, even if I was losing this trade, even though it's a red one, my entry was bad, this trading session has to be stopped, otherwise it would be a mess. I'm just gonna stop right here. Thank you for watching, man, and peace out.